In this video, I am going to review GrooveFunnels and also giving my bonuses. So keep watching. So what you will get in this video? First, I am going to give my 10k plus dollars bonuses if you buy GrooveFunnels lifetime upgrade with my link. Second, I am going to give my full review on GrooveFunnels. So let's start the review. When I first came across GrooveFunnels, I have to admit I was kind of confused what Groove was all about. I mean, there was GroovePages, GrooveCell, and GrooveFunnels, and so forth. There were just so many things. It sounded interesting enough, so I signed up for GrooveFunnels myself. It took me a few days to explore the whole thing before I could make this full GrooveFunnel review video. So, what is basically GrooveFunnels? GrooveFunnels is a comprehensive all-in-one digital marketing platform which includes a suite of software applications that can handle various different digital marketing tasks. Right now, most entrepreneurs and digital marketer uses many separate applications to run their businesses. This often times makes things very difficult to organize, and plus when you combine all the apps together it becomes very costly too. It also important to note that GrooveFunnels was created by Groove Digital, co-founded by Mike Filsaime, who also co-founded Kartara, a somewhat similar software brand already well known in the market for years. He is also creator for Webinar Jam and EverWebinar. As GrooveFunnels is a new release, I do believe that they will include more integrations and advanced function to compete with other software around. And with Mike Filsaime's background in similar industry, I feel more confident that GrooveFunnels will be able to provide just the right tools that all marketers needed. And this is what makes GrooveFunnels very exciting. What is included in GrooveFunnels? As I mentioned earlier, it took me a couple of days to go through the whole GrooveFunnels suite, not just because I was learning how to create the sales page and funnels, but also because I wanted to know about all the other tools they offer and of course its functions. Here is a list of GrooveFunnels suite that I gathered. Please note that while some tools are already up and running, some will only be released in the mid of 2020 and 2020 and early 2021. GroovePages. Its work as a drag and drop website, landing page, and funnel builder. For convenience, there's pre-designed templates ready to use inside, with more templates being added to the collection from time to time. Optimize for mobile significantly help improves your search engine rankings. Extremely important to note, unlike some page builders, pages has faster loading time, which means that you will stop losing traffic because of slow page loading time. Next, GrooveCell. GrooveCell is a sale digital platform where you can sell your physical product, digital products, and services. This includes membership, ebooks, and training courses, and more. Its advanced features allow you to create your own checkout page, create upsells and downsells also, which I personally very useful for me, and order bumps too. You can even create your very own affiliate program for your products too. This feature is also built into the system. You get to see all your stats inside the dashboards, sales, affiliate sales, and analytics. And the fun part is you don't have to pay any transaction fees. Keep all your profits to yourself. So the next software is Groove Affiliate. Groove Affiliate work as an affiliate marketplace like ClickBank and JVZoo. Sellers who create products in GrooveCell have an affiliate program, may feature like products for affiliate to promote through the marketplace. So you can find affiliate products to promote and get the promotional tools the vendor provide, banners, email swipes, and even Facebook ad copies you will be getting from the vendors, which is very useful, and no other platform can do that, all from inside your dashboard. I believe more sellers will get on the board promoting their product here, as they are not charged any fee to do so. Unlike on other platform, there you might be able to find really cool products to promote in the future. GrooveFunnels also has its own affiliate program that you can promote yourself right now. They are paying out a very high affiliate commission rate too. GrooveFunnel affiliate free members get paid 20% commission and paid member gets 40% commission, which is very good. GrooveMail. GrooveMail is a CRM and email marketing system which is similar to MailChimp and GetResponse, but it's says to be more powerful than any. Through GrooveMail, you can send out automated emails, broadcast emails, and behavioral based email marketing. As a GrooveFunnels paid plan member, you can have up to 25,000 email contacts, which means you can send 750k emails daily for free. If you use MailChimp, GetResponse, or any other autoresponder, the cost will definitely be much for higher. For example, Active Campaign charges $479 per month for 25,000 contacts, which is very costly. Groove Member. Groove Member is a built-in membership platform where you can sell your courses or create membership subscription. You can create different membership levels, free accounts and upgradable accounts like silver, gold, platinum. You can have your content available immediately. Prepare content, host videos, prepare courses materials, downloads for your members and more. You will also be able to integrate Groove members with GrooveSell and Groove Affiliate and GrooveMail. Of course, for those who do not want to use Groove member feature, GrooveFunnels will also integrate with other membership platforms available out there. So the choice is yours. Groove Video. Groove Video is a video hosting platform like Vimeo or Visti. You will be able to do A/B split testing, configure the video player control, add tags, custom thumbnails, and more. The features are quite advanced. You can even get analytics for watch time and drop off. Groove Blog. Groove Blog is just amazing, I think so. This can reduce your hosting fees on WordPress blogs. This is a great option for those who want to create blogs but want to use a simple setup without using multiple plugins as some of elements mentioned in Groove pages will also included here. Your blog site will also be SEO optimized, which is another good thing. And also you don't have to give monthly charges to the hosting providers. That's awesome that they are only taking 1397 bucks and giving features like God. Groove Desk. This is built-in help desk similar to Zendesk. Customer can create support tickets and send in product inquiries. This tool allows you to have a more systematic way of handling your customers' requests. You may handle the support tickets yourself or have a team managing it for you. Coming in 2021. Groove Calendar. Groove Calendar is a built-in calendar similar to Calendly. You can use it to schedule your appointments, meetings, consultations, classes, and so on. A great way to use a Groove Calendar is by publishing your schedule, like for your yoga classes or free marketing training classes. You can then set a link for people to sign up of these classes directly. You may also integrate Google Groove Calendar and Groove Mail to set up reminders and follow-up sequence too. And it will come in 2021. Groove Survey. Groove Survey will allow you to create surveys to gather data that can be used for your next upcoming projects or launch. Many organizations use survey to help them understand the market better and of course avoid making losses. Groove Quiz. Let you create engaging online quizzes. Quizzes are a fun way to get customer to interact with you and remember your brand. Groove Webinars. Groove Webinar Live is more similar to Webinar Jam and GoToWebinar, and Groove Webinar Automated will similar to Stealth Webinar or EverWebinar. You will have all features for viewing options like show screen, camera, or both have multiple presenters at same time. There will also be advanced settings where you can see the stats for your webinars and more. Webinars platforms are known to be quite expensive. Groove Webinars aims to provide a cheaper and a better alternative to the market. GrooveCart. GrooveCart is an e-commerce selling platform which is an alternative to Shopify. It has all the premium advanced tool, built-in apps that is usually charged as an additional app on other platforms. You can create thousands of products with funnels, upsells and downsells, order bumps, countdown timers, reviews and so much more. Sell your own physical products, dropship or print or demand items and more. There is also one click import feature that allows you to copy your entire Shopify store in just a second. GrooveCart is a standalone product and is not a part of GrooveFunnels suite, but it added bonus for those who purchase the GrooveFunnels lifetime options, which wouldn't be available for long. It currently sells for $99 per month as a standalone product. Groove Pages. Groove Pages is an app that will made available on the Shopify marketplace. It will work like Groove Pages, but it's only meant and for Shopify users. You can create pages, sales funnels, checkout pages and more. Similar pages on Shopify can cost around $99 per month, which is very expensive. Groove Pages will cost $49 per month coming in 21. How does GrooveFunnels compare with other tools? Now that we know that GrooveFunnels integrates so many tools into their system, so firstly it might be difficult to find another software company that integrate the same tools like them. You can use GrooveFunnels, Groove Pages tool to create simple drag and drop website pages like with Wix. That works just fine, but you can also do so much more with all advanced feature like funnel building. So we really need to look at competitors like ClickFunnels, Kartara or Buildroll for comparisons, where they all have similar functions and have been marketed for many years. These companies also have thousands of paid customers using their software for a very long time. While they each have their own pros and cons, and they don't all integrate the same tools. Software companies like these has been the backbone of many marketers' successful funnel campaign launch in the past. So what makes GrooveFunnels so great? Well, like I said before, GrooveFunnels integrates a lot of features into their system which will work together well. For example, you can link GrooveCell and GrooveMail to capture your customer details. If you are using other software tool, you probably need to subscribe to another software company to capture your customer emails or run your email marketing campaign. This is how GrooveFunnels offer you convenience. And then of course there's a huge price difference, especially when you need to combine multiple apps or tools run marketing funnels or campaigns for your business. Do take note that there is an option to get the whole GrooveFunnels suite lifetime access at a huge discounted fee right now, after which in July 2020 probably the lifetime fee wouldn't be available anymore and you could only get on the monthly payment plan. Although the monthly plan is still going to be cheaper when combining the separate apps together, the lifetime deal will surely save you a lot of money in the long run. So hurry up and buy from the description link. To make it clearer idea of what GrooveFunnels savings will be like in comparison with other software, the comparison above is based on the basic monthly plan of what the software company above charges, extracted from their websites at the time I am writing this. Their advanced upgraded plan usually can run up to a few hundred more a month. Is GrooveFunnels free? No, the whole GrooveFunnels is not free, but what you can get free by signing up for GrooveFunnels free account is a couple of tools that included within the software, such as Groove Pages, GrooveCell, Groove Affiliate, Groove Mail Lite version, and also an external chatbot system using Chatmatic, just newly added. And honestly, you truly can't beat the free for life offer. It's not a free for 14 days or 30 days offer, it's free for life. So you could be very well just go one get one page running and start making money from it basically for free. No credit is required for sign up too. The best part is really you get to keep it forever. You don't ever have to worry about losing the page you have created just because your trial period has ended. Bonus, you will also get my cool bonuses emailed to you automatically when you sign up for a free account on this site. Just click button below to claim your free group referrals and bonuses. GrooveFunnels pricing. Platinum lifetime account. Only platinum lifetime account is available right now. This is a chance to get lifetime access to the whole GrooveFunnels suite, which means you will never have to pay anything extra in the future, and you can skip having to pay the monthly fees later on too. Plus, all future updates will be included with the lifetime account. Note: the platinum lifetime The Platinum Lifetime account will be available for a short period of time before the software move out of the beta mode, after which the only monthly plan will be available. These will be GrooveFunnels pricing in the future. Silver plan $99 per month, Gold plan $200 per month, Platinum plan $300 per month. GrooveFunnels offer 4 types of payment options to choose from for those who wish to upgrade to Platinum Lifetime account. So pay $0, then just 4 easily monthly payments of $497 starting in 14 days, or just 6 easy monthly payments of $388 starting today, or just 12 easy monthly payments of $249 starting today, or just pay in full of for only $1397. Bonus: you will also get my cool bonuses emailed to you automatically when you upgrade to the Platinum Lifetime account. Just click the link below in the description to get the GrooveFunnels account and grab my bonuses. You will able to upgrade Platinum after registration. Other Groove tools. There are also other products under Groove Digital. They are separated from GrooveFunnels but still worth mentioning. I thought I'd list them now for you here. GroovePay. GroovePay helps you to create merchant accounts to help you protect your PayPal and Stripe accounts. They offer very competitive rates. Groove Ads work like an advertising service for you. As an agency, they will manage your Facebook, Google, YouTube ads for 10% of your ad spend, minimum $2,500 a month. You could also opt for a more complete service with a minimum of $5,000 a month. So coming over to my bonuses, here is my first bonus that I am giving you to is the free Google Ads bootcamp for $2,000, and it is with certificate. And the other bonus is Facebook Ads bootcamp for $200, and it will teach you the 5 lessons on profit driven advertising for Facebook ads, and 5 steps to building a Facebook ad strategy, ad testing for beginners, learn the path to purchase approach to grow your FB ads audience. And the next bonus is 4 premium themes for WordPress for $220, which all are responsive themes. And the other is teachable you course, which is how to choose a profitable course idea that's perfect to you. It is course 1, and the course 2 is how to create a professional high quality course, and the course 3 how to build an audience of people who need your course 4 to how to market, launch and scale your course business. And the other is the my favorite is build an online empire starter pack for $2,500. This includes in 7 premium courses to learn how to start your own online businesses, learn the best sales tactics from experts, and this is around $2,500, which is I am giving you just free to sign up to lifetime upgrade. And the other is automate your business, which is $250, and it is a ebook which provide you the knowledge how to automate your businesses. And this is my favorite, that my one funnel away challenge bridge funnel worth $1,000. Yes, I have uh, read this funnel and start promoting it. It is a one funnel away challenge book which is written by Russell Brunson, and I have promoted it on over $9,000 till date, and it is $1,000 which is I am giving the free. And this is just trailer. After purchasing GrooveFunnels from my link, you are doubling your affiliate income and getting $5,000 more surprises bonus from me. Above are some bonuses worth $5K plus dollars. After purchasing, you will get another your $5K. And how to claim your bonuses, you can read this. And the basics are complete a GrooveFunnels registration and then email me your purchase receipt at asku76768@gmail.com.